How to get rich in Growtopia. So, to get rich, what you want in this game mainly is basically word locks. But right now I'm in a new account. But anyways, there are technically lots of ways to get rich in this game. But first, you need your quick setup. So I'm in a little world right now. This doesn't have anything to do with the getting rich part. But first you have the quick setup. So first you're gonna have to set a clear goal. So maybe 100 world locks in 2 months, or basically enough world locks to buy an X rare. So these goals will keep you focused. Secure your account as well. Turn on two-factor if available. Don't share passwords or something like that. And then, to get rich, you're gonna know the basics and then learn the currency. So basically, world locks are the premium currency, the primary currency, I mean. So minor currencies should be like crowns, gems, or other stuff. So matter for specific trades. But anyways, always convert profits into world locks when possible, since again, these world locks are the primary currency. So also the daily routine. Check your price hubs, trading worlds, spend 5 to 10 minutes scanning prices for the items you farm or flip. Know buy and sell prices. Do quick reliable farms. You can go ahead and get yourself access to that since you already have your own world. Running farm that yields tradable items. So reinvest early, profits into faster farms. So this is your daily routine. It's repeatable and also scalable. Other than that, flip and trade hubs. Never just let your money stand by as well. Or by money, your valuable currencies. Spend 10 to 30 minutes flipping, buy low from sellers, and release higher or use vending, of course, for your own profits. Complete daily events and quests as well, since any event rewards like free items or crates are extra income sources. Reinvest profits, as we just mentioned, at a big chunk like 70 or 90% back into the farming capacity or inventory that turns faster world blocks. So, as we just mentioned, uh, the more you keep money not to use, the more you lose. So, make sure it's always in use, and don't make it too risky as well, since whatever you're earning may be lost. So, make sure whatever you're farming or doing is reliable or sufficient at least. So one of the first best proven money methods is basic farming. There are a lot of ways to get money, but we're just gonna say the money methods from beginner to advanced. So first one is the basic farming. So what you do is get plant fast growing and then high demand seeds in your world, and then just go ahead and harvest and sell. So why it works is that it becomes a repeatable income with a low startup cost. You can do it anytime you want. Um, so you can buy more seeds, world expansions to plant more, and then reinvest the world locks into faster and then rarer seed types as you earn. The next is the more advanced method. Next to beginner, actually not too advanced, it's just to buy low. So watch trade hubs and buy items as well. If you can go to a trading hub, but before you can enter trading hubs, you're gonna have to level yourself up. So just play the game, progress for a little bit until you reach around level 25 or something like that. You can learn average prices by just doing your daily routines by taking a look at the prices, using quick trades, and avoid highly volatile items unless you know the market. So basically, the way to get rich is just to know pretty much what the basics are in this game. Vending is passive flipping as well, good for sleep income. Like one of the worlds we just went into, there are a lot of empty vending machines though, but you can work on what you have. But next is crafting and item upgrading. So you obtain base items and materials, craft rare items, then sell for more warlocks. So it adds value through effort, good when you understand recipes and demand. Another is basically event and item speculation. This is a bit on the intermediate level. So what you do in this one is you predict items that will rise, like event items, limited drops, buy early and then sell during peak demand. It's almost like investment. So the risk is that it can backfire if the demand fails and you only use world locks you can afford to tie up. And finally, the more advanced methods is the group or world services like hosting minigames and then selling access, running a farm for hire, or provide crafting services. So Why it works is that monetizing time and then skill instead of in-game RNG. And of course, the high-end trading. So you buy in bulk from other players, negotiate deals, and then resell to smaller traders. So it does require capital, so you're gonna have to grow into that first, reputation, and then knowledge of the market. But those are the most common, not most common, but ways to get rich from beginner to advanced depending on how much you really want. So it's mainly just getting to know this game, honestly. The more you know this game, the more ways you'll be able to know how to get rich in this game, since there are definitely lots of ways. But hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.